Welcome to this gorgeous cabin hidden in the mountains of Tellico Plains. This is 700 Old Furnace Road. With 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on 2 wooded acres with 1,900 square feet of living area, this is a great getaway cabin or the perfect home. The owners have completed extensive remodeling from 2019 to 2023 with tremendous improvements throughout. Just take in all the features and amenities that this home offers. Exterior ceiling, an open living area centered with wood fireplace, a new window and patio door, a brand new kitchen with new appliances, enter the bedrooms, this master on the main, and downstairs. And the bathrooms are all new as well. Boasting exceptional porch area, you can enjoy and entertain in the great outdoors. With a backup generator, plenty of decking, and a host of features throughout, 700 Old Furnace Road in the inviting wilderness that is Tellico Plains offers rustic beauty, livability, and more. Call Corrina Ashe of Tellico Mountain Realty direct at 423-261-5480.